Hey guys, it's Becky here, and my zombie reborn just came. Well, she came yesterday, but I wasn't here, so. Here's her stuff. I can see her head. Oh, she's heavy. Okay. Huh?
Why is it wet outside your door?
Because the cats. I cleaned it up.
What was it?
Vomit.
Thank you.
Sorry about that, guys. That was my dad. The cat spewed. So there's these little bloomers. Very cute. I like those. Thanks, Benny. She's one very spoiled little girl. Oh, I haven't got anything like this. Thank you. Oh, that's so cute. A little cardigan. Very cute. I like the little ruffly bit here. And there's the Twisted Beanstalk hoodie. Very cute. I was going to get one of those. Oh wow. And a romper. This is good because it's winter time here. Look at that. That's cool. Thank you so much, Jenny. She's one very spoiled little girl. Open this up. Got some cards. So yeah, I'll give some of those to my friends now. We got a bow. And a headband. And some diapers. More diapers to add to my collection. And then her certificate. That says introducing Aria, and she was created on my sister's birthday. How cool is that? July 4th. They've got the same birthday. Very cool. Okay. Now for the moment I've been waiting for. I just move all this stuff out of the way. Okay. Here goes. Ah, look at that foot. Oh wow. Oh, she's so cool. She is so cute. Let's cover her face up. Oh, thank you. And her little face. Wow, she's a heavy little girl. She says, hi, I'm here. Hi, everybody. I'm finally home. Oh, she's so cool. Oh my god, she's so cool. Oh wow, look at her eyes. well, I can't wait to play with her now. So, thanks for watching, guys. She says,